Hey, good morning, everybody. How's it going? Pretty good. Welcome to day like 4 of the Be a Better Editor boot camp that I'm doing, where I put out a video every single day for a week. Today we're doing something more than a little different. Today I'm going to show you a faster way than Scotty Kilmer to fix your headlights. And then I may or may not have tracked down Scotty Kilmer's phone number, and we're going to see what he thinks of this headlight cleaning technique. Should be fun. The way this technique works is super simple, and it takes 30 seconds. I'm gonna say like 30-second headlight cleaning technique, because it's just so easy. Now, it's not permanent, it's just a quick fix. Keep that in mind. I've never bought one of those kits that actually lasted for longer than this lasts though, but it's also because those kits don't really come with a clear coat to put on it when you get done. So really any headlight stuff that you do without resealing it is gonna be absolutely pointless. But for the sake of this, let's say this is a lot better than spending 10, 20 bucks on one of those Meguiar's kits that you take an hour to do and then you have crappy headlights again within 2 weeks. First thing that you're gonna need, bam, some off bug spray. I like deep woods because if you haven't noticed, I live in the deepest of the woods. The car that I'm gonna be demonstrating on is my Dadmobile, the 2006 Nissan Altima that has just really bad headlights. The problem is at night you almost can't see at all, and it sucks. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna try to spray like half of this so you can have a side-by-side comparison there. All right, we're gonna spray the off on the headlight. We'll spray real good on this side, on the inside there. All right. I'm gagging a little bit. Then take washcloth, paper towel, whatever, and just rub it. Alright, so you can tell it already looks a lot clearer than before. And if we just use this one as like the go-by, here's the passenger side, here's the driver's side, it's actually a lot better already. Let's try one more round of this. I'm gonna hold my breath for this. Okay, give it a second to run off, and then wipe it down. Now you can see the like trailing edge, it's still there because I didn't really spray, but this, it's still a little hazy. But once again, untreated, treated. We're gonna do one more pass with this on the edge and just get the rest of it. Oh, I talked when I was spraying this stuff. Ah. Ugh, it tastes like summer camp. All right, and just wipe that down real quick. Now, could I go to a detail shop and spend like $100 to get these just completely refreshed and primed and everything? Yeah, I could. But this car has like 220,000 miles on it, and I don't want to spend that much money on a car that I don't know how long I'll have. So there you go. Boom. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm about to text Scotty Kilmer with this and see what he has to say. So I'm doing a screen recording, so come with me on this. Scotty Kilmer. There we go. Hey Scotty, I've got an easier way to clean plastic headlights. Boom. All right. here's the question. I don't know if he'll be able, I don't know if he'll text or what, and he probably is gonna just trash me on this because, to be honest, it's not a permanent solution, and I don't know if you can get an Amazon affiliate link for off bug spray. Oh snap, he's calling. Hello?
Rev up your ringtones!
Is that how you start all conversations, or is?
I don't know how he started things where, listen, that's never gonna fix your headlights. What are you off your rocker? That off isn't gonna do crap. What are you laughing at? I've got at least 3 times as much experience working on cars as you, probably 20 times as much. And I'm telling you right now, your headlights are gonna look worse than bug splattered all over them after that.
So you don't recommend a temporary off cleaning for your headlights?
Listen, nowadays all the headlights, unless they're made by Toyota and have magical protectants from the factory, are plastic and they're gonna look like trash no matter what you do, unless you buy the protectant at my Amazon affiliates links. It's amzon.to/2u96403. Got that?
I'll okay, I'm not gonna put that.
Listen, you buy the protectant, you buy brand new headlights because destroying them is stupid. Unless you're an idiot, you just buy a new assembly and buy not my product, but the product I sent you the link to. I just said it, and you use that. Work way better than the off. That's only for poisoning your kids.
So Scotty, okay, while I've got you on the phone, I think the world needs to know what's your stand on turbocharged engines?
Listen here, I would never own a turbocharged car unless all I wanted to do was blow up balloons with the exhaust tip, because they're good at making a lot of hot air and that's it.
What are your thoughts on the 1991 Mitsubishi Eclipse GSX?
Well, let me tell you, Mitsubishi's made a few doozies over the years. Yeah, sure, some of them are fast until they get halfway down the drag strip and blow up.
And okay, I really appreciate you calling me, Scotty. I'm gonna have one more question and then I'll let you get back to work.
Listen here, Sonny, I'm pumping out 7 videos a week. You better get to it.
Okay, what are your thoughts on some of these guys that are you say cashing in on your name? Like what's that 401 Garage?
You don't get me started on 80 go screw yourself Garage. Jeez, that guy's an idiot. Content is garbage. Well, I'll tell you, listen, I got started small on YouTube. It may have been way back in 2008 when there was no competition, but the bottom line is you're never gonna grow using somebody else's name. Okay, you gotta do it yourself, and you gotta put out quality content with spotless advice, and you'll end up just like me.
Okay, well, you have a good day, Scotty, and I guess I'm gonna go fix those headlights right.
Yeah, buzz off like that protectant you were gonna use. See you later.
Okay, that was weird. That was by far the strangest thing that has ever happened to me, I think. I think I'm gonna shut it off for today because I've had way too much internet. So go like Scotty's videos over there, or over here, or over there, or wherever they are at this point in time. And yeah, I guess don't use off. Whatever.